Hello guys, welcome as we solve this equation. I read the question first and then we continue. Solve the differential equation given by 3x squared dy over dx is equals to 2x squared plus y squared. So guys, we can start off the equation. So the first thing guys we are going to do, we are going to divide by x squared, and I divide here by x squared, so I'll write d, that is 3, dy dx, this is equals to 2. I have already divided here by x squared, and maybe I can put it so that you can be able to see it. So that one will cancel. I come here, divide by x squared, plus now y squared. I divided again by x squared, so that can cancel. So guys, we are left with dy all over dx, we have 3 there, equals to 2 plus y over x squared. Guys, from our equation of differential equation, that is of substitution of y over x equals to v. Guys, when you differentiate that with respect to x, our solution comes to x plus v dv dx equals to dy all over dx. So guys, we are going to replace that is y over x with v, and we replace dy over dx with this equation. So therefore guys, we shall write 3. Instead of writing dy dx, we write x plus, guys, this is supposed to be x, this is supposed to be v. So we have, I can cancel this. So we shall have 3 multiplied by v plus x dv dx, that is dv over dx, guys. This is now going to give us, we have already done that, this is equals to 2 plus, we are replacing y over x with v, so this comes to v squared. Guys, we continue. This is going to give us 3v plus 3x dv dx equals to 2 plus v squared minus, it's actually supposed to be like that. So guys, now we come and we can move 3v on this other side, so that guys, we shall be having 2 plus v squared minus 3v. This other side we shall have 3x dv all over dx, like that. After that guys, we can come and now separate the variables. And now when we separate the variable, guys, we are going to have, here we shall have 1 over 3x, this one is going to be dx, and on this other side guys, we are going to have dv all over 2, we can start with v squared plus 3 minus 3v plus 2v plus 2, like that. Guys, from there we can come and write it in a better way here. We'll write dv all over v squared minus 3v plus 2. This is now going to be equal to d a third x and then dx right there. So guys, from there we are going to do integration on both sides. We integrate on this side and we integrate on this side. But before we do that, we can do what we call partial fractions for this side. And the partial fraction for this side, guys, I had already done it, and this is how, guys, it was coming about. It was coming to 1 all over v minus 2 minus 1 all over v minus 1. And so therefore, guys, you can do that and see whether you get the same results. And now this one is equals to a third x dx. Guys, we can also transfer the dv here. Because it's 1, it doesn't affect anything there. The same case, because this is negative 1, it will still be okay, even when we write like that. And so, guys, we can now come and integrate both sides. We integrate this with respect to dv. We integrate this with respect to dv. And we integrate this with respect to x. This is with respect to v, with respect to v, and with respect to x. So guys, these are going to be our results from integration. We shall have ln v minus 2 minus ln v minus 1. This will give us a third ln x now plus c. Guys, we can write plus c in the form of ln, that is natural log of c. So guys, for this one, we are going to have, according to the laws of logarithm, we shall have ln, that is ln v minus 2 all over v minus 1, and this one is now going to be equal to ln x raised to a third plus ln c. So guys, we shall have, finally on this side, we shall have ln x raised to a third multiplied by c. This one gives us on this other side ln v minus 2 all over v minus 1. And finally, guys, we can remove the ln, so that, because all of this is under ln and this is under ln. And so guys, before we do that, or we can first of all write v minus 2 all over v minus 1. This one gives us x raised to a third multiplied by c. And so therefore, guys, we can replace now for v. The v we have is v is equals to y over x. So guys, I replace for that. So this is going to be y all over x minus 2 divided by y all over x minus 1 is equals to x raised to a third multiplied by c. So therefore, guys, that equation will now give us y minus, if you put them on the same denominator, you shall have 2x there. And guys, we shall also have an x down here, all over y minus, this is now going to be x all over x. This one gives us x raised to a third multiplied by c. And so therefore, guys, this is now going to be our solution. And the solution is going to be, I can write it here, y minus 2x all over, after we cancel x, y minus x equals to x raised to a third multiplied by c. So guys, if you want to find y, you can look for the subject of the formula. But guys, even where we have arrived is actually okay. And so guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.